Bertie. Bertie, what are you doing? Bye, I'll see you later.
And I'm here to help Mini Matt on his journey to get his Mini fixed.
It's lovely. Hi, welcome back to another episode of Project Bumble. We're back in the garage. Today we're back in the garage. I've got Jack with me. He's going to help strip down this subframe and I'm going to carry on welding up the back. We're going to get the subframe jig thingy back on the car and we're going to start trying to fit up that new subframe mount panel. So it took a little bit of fiddling to get it all in the right spot. So I can chop the original heel board up to this line here. So what I'll do is I'll score a line there and then cut further out on the heel board here, and then I can line that up again and chop the repair so that it's perfectly in the right place. Right, and here we have a nice hole in the heel board. The bottom lip here, it welds around, or wraps around, you can see, but the actual floor was a little bit thin, so rather than trying to unpick all the spot welds and everything, I just chopped it off. I figured I can just weld in a fresh part into there. That's a bit of metal I chopped out. You can see it's a bit pitted in that top corner, but it's still actually quite thick, so I'm probably just making more work for myself. But might as well get it as solid as I can. Yep, so I'm going to be cutting out a bit of metal to fill this part of the floor back in, and then we can move on with fitting the rear subframe panel.
First of all, what we're going to do is scrape the rust off so we can get this around it nice and easy so we can take this apart, okay? I trained as a mechanic for 20 years, so so if anybody takes any of this advice and uses it, please comment below. You know, hopefully I've got a few hints and tricks here to help people. So to start off with, we're going to do a nice forward and backward motion. Then sideways.
I've got to edit this crap.
The other side. Huh?
I've got to edit this crap, so I'll probably just put it in fast forward.
And the trick I always find to finding the right nut is to put it on, and if it twists around, it's too big. If it doesn't, it fits.
Amazing insight.
Some people have got to know this stuff now. Oh, am I doing that up? Oh, fuck's sake. There you go.
Bucket for your bolts.
And always have a bucket to put your bolts in. So this is too big. Wow, Jack. You're amazing. How did you learn all this? You're just going to edit me out, aren't you? No? I wouldn't do that. My little pumpkin.
Jack got the radius arms stripped off subframe, started to clean it up. It's not looking too bad. Right, so while Jack was doing that, I've been welding this lip back in. Yes, we got this part of the floor welded back in, ready to start the next part. Thanks for that, Jack. 2047. Well, that was nice. Got quite a bit of work done, and then we thought we'd go to the pub and play some pool. So, yeah, thanks for your help, Jack, and thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.